Hey boys and girls, just touching base actually about something. I'll do another lesson video here in a second. But one thing I thought about after I filmed the last lesson was that I was using a program that I don't know you guys have used necessarily. You probably have seen Miss Grill and I use it. You might have heard the name before, but I don't know if you've actually downloaded this app or been to this website. But for a lot of the stuff we're gonna do while you guys are out, Desmos is a really good tool. Okay, so first of all, the spelling is desmos.com. And it's basically just kind of a graphing calculator. So if I go over, click start graphing. Basically, it gives me the option to just type in equations. So it's a really good way to kind of check yourself. Like if you're asked to do a graph, let's say, right? And I just, I'm graphing y equals 2x plus 3. So I can put that into Desmos and just kind of match up. Does it match what I got? I should have a y-intercept at 3. I should have a point where I go up 2 and over 1. And in this case, because I'm counting by the lines I was looking at were counting by 2s, it made it a little harder to see, so let me change to 1s real quick. And now you can see I have a point at 0, 3 and a point up here at 1, 5, right? 2 up and 1 over based on that slope. So you can Desmos is a really good way to kind of check yourself on stuff like that. In addition, since we are doing systems of equations, Desmos is an amazing tool to check yourself. Okay, because you can just type 2 equations into Desmos, and I'm just making up this second equation. And if you look, you can find exactly where the answer to these equations is. So in this case, my answer should be x equals negative 19 and y equals negative 35. So I can use that to kind of check myself as well. Okay, so it's a really good tool. I use it a lot. I know your algebra teacher next year is going to be really happy if you already are familiar with Desmos, because it's a really important tool in algebra. You can ask my algebra students. They basically never shut up about it. But I would really strongly recommend using it. There's a version in your browser if you just go to desmos.com, and then Android and iPhone both have one as well. So it's definitely worth a look. It's a really, really good tool to get used to. All right, well, that'll do it for this one.